above party rules, Sani says as PDP considers disciplinary action against Wike. In a development that could be a game changer, the People's Democratic Party hints at potential disciplinary action against the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, Wike. Umar Sani, Senior Special Advisor on Media and Publicity to former Vice President Namadi Sambo, spoke on Arise TV's morning show about the party's internal conflicts. It suggested that the PDP's newly formed disciplinary committee, led by Chief Tom Nkimi, might consider sanctioning Wike for alleged violation of party rules. He emphasized that no one, including Wike, is above the party rules. Sani stressed that the issue at hand is not just a personal dispute between Abubakar Atiku and Wike. He emphasized the reactivation of the Governors Forum as a pivotal step in addressing the party's crisis, indicating the broader political dynamics at play. While acknowledging that court orders may prevent the removal of party officials, Sani clarified that such orders do not prohibit the party from taking other actions, such as suspending members or imposing disciplinary measures. He noted that no disciplinary committee existed during Wike's alleged infractions. However, with the recent formation of this committee, Sani urged patience, stating, "Let's give them time to do their job before assuming Wike is above party rules." Stay tuned for further updates on NaijaNews TV.